outside the GC gang, baby. I'm back with another video, man. We headed over to I'm headed over to Advanced Audio Parts, and they got this compound stuff that I want to try out because on my wife car, her headlights, man, them headlights they real dingy. Like, you can't, when she put her headlights on, she said she can't see nothing at light. Like, she got to put on her headlight, like her bright lights, to actually see the road. So we got to fix that. I mean, we don't need no accidentals happening on the road because of that. So I'm gonna go run the Advanced Auto Parts first and see if they have this compound stuff that I seen. I actually seen somebody used it. It worked for them, so I mean, why not? We're gonna try it out and see. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead on, we're gonna handle that. If it work on her car, I'm gonna just go ahead on and do it on all three of them. Like her car and my two trucks. We go ahead on and just kill that and get it over with. So like I said, hopefully it will work for me. So I mean, when I seen him use it on his, the headlights was actually like yellow, like completely yellow. So, but what I'm hearing, all it is just a film. Like it's just like a film that goes over the globe of the light. So it can't be too hard to do. So I'm actually pulling up now. Yeah, I hope they got this stuff in here though. That would really be nice if they did. All right, she taking her little break. Yeah. So we're gonna go run in here right quick and see if they actually got that. All right, how you doing? I might have to ask them if they have this or not, because I ain't good at looking for stuff. So I actually took a picture of it to see if they have it, but I'm gonna man, let me go ahead and get woman if she got that. Well, I'm glad I went and asked them, because I wouldn't have never found it. It was like way on the back wall somewhere. But I'm actually, shit, hold up. Yeah, I actually got it. This the stuff right here. Let me see, make sure y'all can see it. It's through it's a 3M rubbing compound. That's the stuff he used. So, and I went on and got me some little shop towels too. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna apply that. Try to get rid of that problem. I just looked at my headlights on here. I didn't know mine was looked at that dingy either. So hopefully it worked. We definitely gonna get that in. Something keep hitting on the side of my door, man. It's aggravating the hell out of me too. I don't know what it is. Had to get rid of that sound. That's getting on my nerve. I need to detail this whole inside of this truck anyway, man. I done let it got too far. So but yep, I'm gonna head back to the house, bro. And when I get back to the house, I'll let y'all when I get there. All right, y'all, we done made it back to the house. I just wanna put this down right quick. I wanna show y'all how this look, man. That's what a headlight looks like right now. And this one even worse. So we're gonna go ahead on and try to start this process, get this going with the headlights, with this stuff. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead on and get this started, bro. Y'all can see, bro, that thing, it really did what it's supposed to. I'm gonna hit it a couple of more times, try to clear it up a little bit more. But man, I'm real satisfied on what it did, bro. It ain't like it's a whole lot of hard work that you can do. Plus, I done all that within 5 minutes, man. So I'm gonna go ahead on and set up for the other side, bro. I mean, we'll go ahead on and kill that side too. So y'all stick around, man. Y'all gonna see what the rest of this video is gonna look like. Alright, well, y'all kind of see what's going on with it. I done hit it. Came out real good. But I got a buffer at the house. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get the buffer, you know, but not at home, at the old house. I think I'm gonna grab that today. But I'm gonna do this by hand one more time, and I'll just take pictures of it and show y'all the difference of what it look like now and afterwards. And I'll be back after I do this third one, man. Alright, y'all can see I done did the third coating on it, and it looked damn good. Way better than what it was from the beginning. So now all I gotta do is get all this, like this little excess stuff in between the cracks, and get the rest of that compound off. But I think I did good. Yeah, so
yes, you did.
I did good. Oh, yeah, I got my baby out here with me. Miss Pretty.
Good job.
Yeah, Miss Pretty. Yeah, but yes, I think she should be able to see a whole lot better now. Cause it was like yellow and smeared white and everything else. So, yep. So until the next video, we gonna holler at y'all on the next one. So like I always say, man, it's your boy GC. I'm out of this thing, man.
Wishmaster Beats.